Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your application history on JobStreet. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that, click on the Me icon at the bottom of the screen, and then you can see the application history. And here you can keep a record of all your applications in one place. So this is really great, but because if you have applied for many jobs and you do not know that if you have applied or not for some of them, and here you can see the list, and here you can check those applications. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.